that it? Have you won? Look at that. Alright guys, welcome back to another video.
This is Lee.
And I'm Ben. No. Alright guys, how's it going? I'm Lee. He's Ben. I'm supposed to have my mask on, aren't I?
Yeah, you are, yeah.
Alright guys, how's it going? I'm Lee. He's Ben. We are Evil GT. And we're at... Oh, they've turned the lights off. Sorry about that. We're going to see if today we can get better value, better fun for £100 karting.
I just want to know for definite that I am faster than you.
Well, you'll have to wait and find out. But I am carrying a weight disadvantage. I'm a little bit heavier than you. So in theory, if I'm about 0.2 of a second slower, then in theory that's the handicap leveled out, yeah?
Alright, yeah.
We
I'm fine with that, yeah.
Yeah. You know the only reason you've won? Because you're racing on your own.
For the purpose of YouTube, you're going to try and say, is to get better footage, Ben. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, put all the cameras on, yeah.
Look at this. This is on my helmet. Look how much drag that's going to...
Yeah, but I've got the same shit on mine.
I've only got one camera on the top. There's two on the top of mine. What are you playing at here? Why are you trying to handicap me?
I put yours at the top so you had less sort of like air resistance.
Just because we've done session 1 and I'm 0.3 of a second faster than you. You're taking a piss, you.
Alright, come on, stop bullshitting, let's go. Making out that I'm like making excuses for losing. I'm not lost yet. Not far off though. You are lighter, 0.2. Come on, gobshite, let's go.
22, mate. Yeah, please. Go down there. 22, mate, back there.
So I'll give you that. You beat me by 2/10 of a second.
In the first session?
Yeah, and then the second session we were filming for filming purposes, but you did beat me by
0.6 of a second.
Right, but we were filming. You can't have the second one. We were filming. I was letting you go past.
You can't see my face, it's covered up with a mask, but I
let him catch up. I did 3 laps before. I did 3 laps before you caught up. Anyone that knows is full of shit. I know I make me excuses, but on this occasion,
like a true racing driver.
On this occasion,
full of shit.
Not having it. So I'll give you that, I owe you breakfast, but so that's 3-1 in Dubai. But anyway, I'd won a few, you've won one. So, but the thing is, I'm 17 stone, you're 13.
13.
4 stone weight advantage you've got. So,
you were completely oblivious to who was behind you. She was back. I was bumping you. She was using that to overtake us. And you just went boom, knocked her, spun her around.
So 0.2 of a second. I think if you were handicapping, I would have won that.
No, because the second session, I was just warming up then, pal. Second session, I was 0.6 faster.
Right.
And that's because I had most people in my way. Otherwise, it'd have been a completely different story.
Anyway, if you haven't already subscribed, smash the subscribe button.
Thank you.
So he feels better about himself. And
we get up to stupid shit like this, really, don't we?
Hit the notification button, bell thing. And we'll see you on another thing. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. But this is top for the £40 extra. Top Golf was really good, but this smashes it out of the water.
Properly good, this, isn't it? And they're all off out again now.
Alright, so see you in a bit.
Ta-ra.